Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to build a photography website with Wix. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to log in into our Wix website. If you don't have any account yet, you need to sign up. Once we are logged in, we are going to be prompted into our My Sites. So these are the websites that we've created earlier. Now for us to begin with our photography website, we are going to click on Create a New Site at the upper right of our interface. Now we are going to be prompted into this page. So you're just going to choose which platform do you want to use. So let's say we're going to click Wix. So what kind of website are you creating? So since we are going to be creating a photography website, then we're just going to write the keyword photography. And then you have here a few choices. Are you going to make a photography portfolio, a photography studio, a photography site coming soon, camp, blog, or school? So let's say we're just going to click this photography portfolio and then click next. So what would you like to call your website? So let's say my website is photography demo. Since this is just a sample website, then just click next. So what do you want to add to your website? So you can add a portfolio or you can add bookings. You have different things to add here: events, chat, blog, pricing plans, forum, Instagram feed, video, music, restaurant menus, bands in town, file share, and groups. So later on, you can try to add this. You can try to customize your website, but as of now, then we're just going to add, let's say, for example, bookings and then events. We want to add that in our website, and also we want to add chat, Instagram, or pricing plans. Okay, I think that's it, because later on we can still add those if we want to. Then after that, just click next. So create a website with a Wix editor, then click start now. So there are different templates that we can choose from. So when you try to scroll down, there are different pages that you can choose from. There are different templates still available. So I'm gonna choose this one. And then just click edit template. Alright, so this is now our website, and at the left portion of our interface, you can add a lot of things here. So this plus sign, it means that you can add elements. So adding elements, you have here, you can add text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu, and anchor, contact and forms, video and music, interactive list, embed code, social payments, content manager, blog, store bookings, and a lot more. So in this part, you can also add a section. So you can add a welcome section, an about section, a team, contact, promotion, services, subscribe, testimonials, clients, and so on and so forth. Now in the pages and menu, you can also customize your sign up menu, your sign up and login, your portfolio pages, your bookings pages, and your members area. Now in this icon, you can add any app that you want. This is the Wix app market. So all you need to do is just search for apps here, and there are different recommended apps that you can use. So just try to scroll this down, and there are a lot of apps available. And for the My Business, this is where you can see the Wix bookings, events and tickets, pricing plans, forms and payments, members area, photo albums, chat and portfolio, and a lot. So in the media icon, you can see you can upload your media through different social media websites like Facebook, Instagram, your Google Drive, and your Google Photos, or you can upload a media. You can also edit images and videos through Photo Studio, Video Marker, and there are also free Wix images that you can choose from here if you don't have any available photos. And you can also choose from the videos here and the Shutterstock videos and a lot more. And you can also upload your own video or pictures. So now let's get started. Now this is our website. This is what our website looks like, and we are going to try to add a page. So we are going to click on add section here, and then we are going to add an about section. So there are also different templates that you can choose from as to what your about section will look like. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. So we are just going to drag and drop this to our page. So there we go. This is our, so as you can see, our about us is here. So you can edit this one by just clicking the section, and then you can click on edit text there, so you can try to edit that one later. And then we are also going to add another section, and this time we're going to add contact information, of course, so that they know how to contact us. We can add an address, a phone number, an email, or I can using different social media platforms. So I'm gonna choose this one. So I'm just going to drag it here in our page. So there is our contact information. So in this part, this is where your customers can email you. This is our Wix forms. So they can write their name, their email, and their message, and then they can send it. So in this part here, you can edit the address of your shop, and then your contact number, and then your email, and then also in your different social media platforms. Okay, so this time we are going to add a gallery. So we're just gonna click add elements at the left portion of our interface. And we are going to click on gallery. So let's say I'm gonna have this grid portrait. Okay, so in our gallery, we can change the images, the things that we want to change. So we are just going to drag the images to change their order. We can try to rearrange them, and we can also add images. So if we don't want that certain image, we can just click on remove image here, this trash icon. We can click that, and we can also add our own images. So now we're going to add our bookings. So we are going to click on the add apps here. We're going to go ahead to our Wix apps, Wix app market. So we're going to go ahead to this text box, and we're going to write bookings. We'll click on Wix bookings. We've already pre-installed this app, so if not, you can just add it. Now we'll click on open. So we are going to customize this widget so we can manage this one, the services. We'll click on the services. So our services, you can click on the different services that you're going to offer. And then for the layouts, we're gonna choose this one. Just a heads up, for you to accept bookings, you need to upgrade your plan in Wix. So here is our services. Here's our bookings. So there, if they choose to book for portrait, they can click on book now. And you can also indicate the price here. You're just gonna click on manage services. So we're gonna scroll down, and we are going to go to our service list, and we are going to click on edit. And here are the service details. We're gonna customize this one. So the name of our service is portraits. You can change this one, by the way, whatever that you call that service you have there. And then the tagline, so you can also edit this one, the description, and the duration of your session, and then the buffer time if you have that. And then for the price and payment, you can choose how clients can pay for the service. Is it per session with a plan, or per session or with a plan? And then the price per session, it's going to be, let's say for example, a fixed price. So let's say we're gonna have 500 pesos per hour. And then you can also add the payment preferences: entire amount online or entire amount in person, entire amount either online or in person, and then online deposit and the rest in person. So it really depends on you. So I'm gonna click on entire amount in person. So once you've done that, just click on save. So here, start taking bookings online. So as what I've mentioned earlier, you need to upgrade your site with a business and e-commerce premium plan, so that you can take an online bookings for your services and accept secure online payments. So just click on upgrade. So we've done the portraits. So the same process that we did earlier, you're just gonna click on edit and you can edit that certain service. After that, let's close the dashboard. Now, once we've done that, we are gonna go ahead and click on the different devices modes here so that we can check what our website looks like when we're going to publish it. So using a mobile phone, this is what our website looks like there. And then if we are going to use a desktop, this is what it looks like on a desktop. Now, before we're going to publish, we are just going to check if all of the pages or the sections are in place. So we are going to click on pages and menu. And here, we're just going to click on site menu. And then we are just going to check there the pricing. I think it's good to go already. So just go to the upper right corner of our interface and we are going to click on publish. And there we go. Our site is already published and it is live online. And then just click done. And there, that's how easy you can build a photography website on Wix. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.